YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today I have a short video about the gas fill in your car. How many times did you see people pulling on the gas station and their gas fill is on the wrong side? Or maybe you're one of those people and you pull in and you're looking around so people don't laugh at you too hard. Well, there is actually a really easy way and sure way to know where your gas fill is, and you don't have to do a silly mistake like this. And I actually didn't know about this, but my wife told me about it. If you look at your dash, see this little gas station thingy, an arrow on the left side. That means that in my particular car, the gas station is on the left, on the left side of your vehicle. Sometimes it could be on the right, but you know, before you pull in and you drive in somebody else's car, or you just bought a car and you don't know, just check that little arrow and you will know for sure where the gas station or gas fill is in your car. If this video was useful for you, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and listen to your wives, they know stuff.